This tutorial was created by DocsInside. We're a digital platform that helps with Spanish residence applications and more. Let's get started. Type it into the search bar, then open the official website. Enter your personal details such as passport number, NI, first surname, second surname, if you have one, name, indicate your gender, enter your date of birth, place and country of birth in Spanish, nationality in Spanish, select your marital status, enter your father's and mother's name, fill in your registered address in Spain. You can use the address shown on your certificate of registration. Enter your phone number and email address. This section is only for representatives, like parents applying for a child. Most people can skip it. Your email or registered address is usually enough. Don't check this box unless you have a digital certificate. Enter full name. Choose your application type, initial card, renewal or duplicate. Enter the city of your current location. That's it, just print it, sign it, and take it to the police station for fingerprinting. That's all for now. We're always here to help you.